Okay, let's get into this look. I am hydrating and moisturizing my face with my Iconic London and my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Definitely always the first step in any makeup routine. And then you guys know I love my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Like, it's my go-to primer right now. It's been for a while. So let's get into the eyes. So loving this Juvia Place eye primer, by the way. Absolutely love it. Been rocking with it for a few weeks now, and I no bad things to say. So of course, my Makeup Forever palette is a staple. Every time I do an eye look, I love to lay down at least two different color browns. This look, nothing different. I lay down my medium brown, my darker brown. Now I'm going in with this burgundy color from the Huda Beauty palette. I love Huda's eyeshadows. They're just so pigmented. And so now I take the hot pink from that Makeup Forever palette and I just pack that on. Loved how those colors blended. Now I take my two pink glitters from my Pat McGrath palette and I just use them in my inner corner, and I finish this look with this Stila glitter. This glitter, I don't even know what you call it, but I love to put it on top of my matte shadows because it just gives just such a perfect finish. Now for the star of the show, let's talk about this Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. So I'm using the color Kampala, and as you can see here, I tried it on in Ulta. I got it from Ulta. Tried it on, and this one was the one that matched the best. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I need to try another color because even though this matched, it oxidized a bit after, not much, but I just, like, as you see as I put it on, I just don't like it. It looked too masky. Maybe it was just a bit too neutral for me, and it kind of looked like this particular color had a tad bit of an olive undertone. So this part, I don't know. Like, I have not reached for it since. This was the only time. And that's how I know I don't like a foundation. If I never feel led to reach for it, if I completely forget that I have it after using it the first time, it's a no for me. And so everyone that I've seen so far actually love this foundation. Yeah, please put daddy's socks up. My son is in here while I'm trying to record. A mess. But yeah, so of course, let's talk about this Anastasia Beverly Hills concealers. These are like perfect example. I reach for these all the time. As you know, before this, NARS was my go-to Radiant Creamy concealers, but now, like, I reach for the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealers all the time. And so that's how I know that I either love or hate a product. If you see me don't reach for it after the first time, it's an absolute no. You only get one try with me, and so you definitely have to make a great first impression. So I don't know. I am willing to give it another try if I can find maybe something that's either more warm or more cool to my skin tone. But this particular one, Kampala honey, it was not it. Unfortunately, I really wanted to like it, and it just, I don't know, it just made me look a bit too masky. And it just never made me feel to try it again. And I only used one pump. You know, the coverage is great, as you can see, but I don't know if it's not mixing well with the concealer maybe, or what. But baby, this wasn't it. So you guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. How do you think it looks compared to the other foundations that you've seen me wear? Because honey, I honestly ain't trying to try this again. I really should have taken it back to Ulta. But nonetheless, you know, maybe I'll keep it in my kit for a customer when I do makeup. But other than that, So if you guys know, if you guys are a similar color to me in terms of foundation range, maybe suggest a new color that I can try. But yeah, other than that, this was a definite no-go. So yeah. The overall look I liked, okay? I'm not a pink fan. I'm not a fan of wearing pink makeup. So this was done for Valentine's Day, but I absolutely love how my lips came out. Like, the lips were given it. And I'm so pissed that I actually put a gloss on over this, because normally if I put a glitter on my eyes, I would try to keep my lips matte. And the way this pink blended, I really should have kept my lips matte, you know, because you guys are going to see at the end. So with this magenta colored lip liner and this, like, you know, magenta colored lipstick, and this is MAC, I think, St. Germain. Like, I pulled out like all of my old school MAC popular lipsticks from back in the day. I don't even know if they still sell them, honey. But just look how the colors are blending. That's why I think that's why everybody loved MAC lipsticks. They blend so beautifully. And then I took the Maybelline Color Stay liquid lipstick as well to pop that like bubblegum color pink. Y'all, I don't even know the name of the colors. I'm gonna have to put it in the description box. But I really should have left this look just like this. Look at that. But I did go ahead and put a Maybelline gloss over it. I regretted it afterwards, so I'm going to have to do this lip again and just wear it matte, because the total effect was ruined with the gloss, honestly. Like, all the blending, you know, the ombre color is just, no. Even though it's cute, but yeah, I should have left it matte. But other than that, you know, it is what it is, you know. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you like this look, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye.